So we asked about additive and multiplicative inverses. Additive inverse refers to the number that's the opposite of a number. It's the number that you'd add to a number in order to get 0.
Okay.
So for example, the additive inverse of 3 is -3, because 3 plus -3 is 0. The additive inverse of -7 is what? 7, because -7 plus 7 equals 0. The additive inverse of 0 is what?
0.
It's just itself, because 0 plus 0 equals 0. Now we also have another property, multiplicative inverses. All right? So multiplicative inverses are the number that you multiply by a number. But multiplying by a number to get 0 would be too easy, because that's just 0 for everything. But the number you multiply to get 1. Okay? So for example, if you multiply 5 by 1 over 5, you get 1, right? If you multiply -3 by -1 over 3, you get 1. Usually it's just 1 over. Now, some things that might make that a little more difficult is, what if you're already starting with like 1/5? What's the multiplicative inverse of 1/5? 5 over 1. So you just flip the fraction over. What's the multiplicative inverse of 2 over 3? 3 over 2. Okay? And that's additive and multiplicative inverses. When you've got a multiplicative inverse, if you have a mixed number, you have to convert it to a fraction, and then you can make that, so 2 1/3 becomes 7/3. The multiplicative inverse of 7/3 is 3/7.
Okay, I understand the instructions now. I was not understanding
Good.
them.